Hi, Judy from the Bungalow here. Get this kit, but choose your own fabrics. That's right, this quilt will come right to you, kitted up with the shapes cut, not just the amounts. The shapes will be cut, and you get to choose which fabrics you want to do it in. I have curated multiple groupings of 3 fabrics each, and you choose from those groupings and pick the 3 fabrics that you want to do this quilt out of. Then we will send it to you with the triangles and the squares already cut. Not just a kit of the amounts. The squares and the triangles will all be cut for you already, so that all you have to do is sit down and chain piece. So go to bungalowquilting.com, click on events, click on the link. You'll see all the different choices that you have, and just click purchase and get sewing.